Good morning everyone. My name is Nathan David Elozano. I am here to present different types of power supply connector. 4-pin Molex P-port 12 volts provide 12 volts power to the CPU on the motherboard. It is used to supply power to the processor to function. Next is 4-pin Berg connector, a small power connector for the floppy disk drives. It was used to power floppy disk drive for reading and writing disk. And the third is 20-pin Molex ATX power connector, the main power connector for all ATX motherboard. It supplies power to all components on the motherboard. And the fourth is SATA power connector, a 15-pin connector that provides 3.3 volt, 5 volt, and 12 volt to SATA hard disk drive and SSDs. It is used for modern storage device. And the last is 4-pin Molex connector, a common power connector for IDE, hard disk drive, optical drives, and fans. It provides 5 volt and 12 volts for older device.
And I'm Gerald Andre Calata, and I will explain what are the parts of motherboard and the definition. Processor socket is a slot on the motherboard that holds and connects the CPU or central processing unit to the rest of the computer. North bridge is a chip on the motherboard that connects the CPU to high-speed components. South bridge is a chip on the motherboard that manages the input and output function of the computer. iMemory slot, also called RAM slot or DIMM slot, is the connector on a motherboard where RAM modules or memory sticks are installed. PCI or Peripheral Component Interconnect is a type of expansion slot on a motherboard used to connect additional hardware components. Front panel of a computer refers to the part of the case that has buttons, ports, and indicator lights that you can access easily. SATA or Serial ATA is a type of interface used to connect storage devices to the motherboard. IDE or Integrated Drive Electronics is an older interface standard used to connect storage devices like hard disk drive or HDD. Rear connector on a motherboard is a type of a port header that is uncommon or rarely found on modern motherboards. Battery. It powers that most memory that stores BIOS settings when the computer is turned off. BIOS or firmware is stored on a chip on the motherboard. HGP, faster than the older PCI slot at transferring video data.
Thank you for watching.